Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Sultana grape, also known as Thompson Seedless. We've got this growing in a 5-gallon pot, and we have two very nice bunches of grapes here that we are going to take inside. I might try to turn them into raisins. You can also eat them straight off the vine, and my understanding is that you can also make wine out of it. But let's see how they taste. They're very good, totally seedless. I haven't had one yet with a seed. Very good, very sweet, nice green grape. We have our potted grapes here in our fig hoop house, and we also have a few pawpaws here because up here in the Pacific Northwest, we just don't get the heat that you need to get like good summer growth and fruit that's early enough. So we've got grapes in here, we've got figs, and we've got some pawpaws. For the Sultana grape here, it's a nice one. It's great. Very happy with it. Before we harvest it and take it inside, I do want to point out, we try to water this every day, and the pot is a little light, so I really need to, it's healthy. The foliage is green, where there's no desiccation yet, but you really have to stay on top of it with a potted plant because when you put grapes in the ground, they have kind of an infinite pot that can hold water for a long time, but when you have a really defined space like this and the plant wants to grow, you really got to maintain that water supply. Okay, we're gonna harvest these bunches, clean them up, and see if we can make raisins out of them in our dehydrator. This is Sultana grape, also known as Thompson Seedless. Very reliable, very pretty bunches of green grapes that can be used for making raisins, eating fresh off the vine, and also making wine.